Hello viewers online. In this video we are going to see about assignment answers of class 12 English medium. So here is your first question. How did the instructor build a swimmer out of Douglas? Douglas got and now come to answer. Douglas got an instructor to teach him how to swim. Instructor put a belt around him. A rope was attached to this belt. It went through a pulley, then ran on an overhead cable. Thus, Douglas was able to go back and forth across the pool. He was taught to put his face underwater one exhale and to raise his nose and exhale. Gradually, Douglas shed his fear of water. This is your first answer completed. Now we move to answer number 2. What is sadness that the poet refers to in the poem? Keep quiet. Come to the answer of second question. The poet refers to the sadness failing to understand oneself in monotonous existence of everyday life. He also finds it sad that humanity is moving towards its own ruins owing to its unprecedented actions. He regretted that the rush to outmaneuver others has made one forget the values of humanity. Now come to the question number 3. Your club is going to organize an inter-class singing competition. Write a notice in about 50 words inviting names of the students who want to participate in it. Give all the necessary details. You are Arpan or Ankita, Secretary, Music Club, Akash Public School. So in question number 3 you have to write a notice organizing a music competition. So here start the answer with your school name, Akash Public School, and below it write notice and date, whatever date it given in your notice question. Otherwise pick a date and from that date choose 10 days and then organize a music competition. Like I mentioned here, 21 November 2021 inter-class singing competition. Sorry. The notice has been put up to inform the students of 10th, 11th and 12th that an inter-class singing competition is being organized by Music Club. Details are as follows. वहाँ पे भाई की जगह पे बाई कर लीजिएगा. डेट 1 दिसंबर 2021. टाइम एंड देन वेन्यू, कहाँ पे हो रहा है. प्राइज एंड देन इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स कैन गिव देयर नेम्स टू म्यूजिक क्लब बाय द लास्ट वीक ऑफ दिस मंथ एंड अटेंड द ऑडिशन ड्यूरिंग ब्रेक टाइम. कॉन्टैक्ट फॉर फर्दर डिटेल्स अर्पण और अंकित as the names given in the notice, Arpan or Ankita, Secretary, Music Club. Then come to the fourth question. You are Anjali Mishra of Raipur. You want an English tutor for your daughter. Write an advertisement to be published in classified column of a local newspaper. Here you have to give an advertisement in local newspaper for a English tutor. So as your advertisement has to be published in local newspaper, you should write in a classy way. So first column is wanted English teacher, then wanted highly qualified and experienced and PGD teacher who can teach English to a girl studying in class 10th. Tuition fee is in 5 figure for deserving and experienced candidates. Apply with the details biodata to Anjali Mishra within a week, address given to you whatever the address will be. Then now come to the question number 5 and your last question. Write a letter to your friend, congratulate him or her on his or her success in the class 12th exam. So address whatever given in your question. If not given, select any random address. Then date on which date you have to on which date you are writing the letter, put the date here. Then, my dear Anis, I hope you are in good health and good state of mind. I am very happy to know that you have secured 94% in the senior secondary examination. You have really worked hard and really deserve it. I congratulate you on your brilliant success examination. Now you have a bright future awaiting for you. You can easily compete in any career of your choice. I am sure you will get scholarship too. When you come here, we will celebrate your success upon arrival. All friends are eagerly waiting for your arrival. Once again, congratulations. Convey my regards to your parents, yours sincerely, and put the name here. And with this answer completion, your 5 questions all are completed for class